Crystal Meth Rehab Treatment, Meth Addiction Treatment, Orange County Drug and Alcohol Rehab Center, Crescent Moon Recovery LLC. Methamphetamine is a central nervous system stimulant that is highly powerful and addictive. How methamphetamine works? As mentioned above, methamphetamine is a central nervous system stimulant. The rapid increase of dopamine in an individual's brain will cause them to experience feelings of euphoria. These effects can begin within minutes of use and can continue for up to 12 hours. Methods of use. People can use methamphetamine through various methods that can have different adverse effects on the body. Smoking. By smoking methamphetamine, individuals put their mouths at risk of exposure to these harmful chemicals. Snorting. Snorting methamphetamine in powder form will cause significant damage to the nasal passage with irritation, severe sores, and loss of smell. Injecting. Injecting methamphetamine that has been dissolved in water or alcohol will cause damage to an individual's veins. Meth overdose. An overdose will occur when an individual doses too much of a substance for their body to handle. Long-term effects of amphetamines. The most serious long-term effect of methamphetamine use is addiction. Changes in brain structure. Continued methamphetamine use can cause changes in an individual's brain function from repeated increases in dopamine production. Physical dependence and withdrawal. Once a tolerance to methamphetamines has developed, the physical and psychological effects that arise from decreased use can make it even more difficult to stop using the drug. Extreme cravings to return to methamphetamine use can be very dangerous, as the risk of overdose greatly increases if an individual relapses. Methamphetamine use disorder treatment. Treatment for methamphetamine use disorder involves addiction specialists and professionals who will work with participants to treat both the physical and psychological withdrawal symptoms that may occur throughout recovery. Evaluation. During the initial evaluation, a medical team will assess a participant's current state of health and the length and extent of their methamphetamine use. Stabilization. Stabilization will begin when an individual is suffering from withdrawal symptoms from abstaining from methamphetamine use. Further treatment. Once a participant is no longer suffering from symptoms of withdrawal, they will be able to transition into longer-term treatment that will address the psychological effects of addiction and treat any co-occurring disorders. With different forms of therapy, individuals will be able to overcome their struggle with SUD and learn better ways to cope with stress and anxiety in recovery. Conclusion. Addiction to methamphetamines can cause significant damage to an individual's physical and mental well-being, as well as their relationships and ability to positively contribute to society. If you or a loved one is suffering from the effects of chronic meth use, do not hesitate to reach out to Crescent Moon Recovery to learn more about our customized treatment plans in an outpatient setting at 714-464-8474.